Okay, so when you've got your machine set up, you'll have your little diverter set up to the tap here. You'll have the white shower one, or you'll have this normal one. You've got the hose set up to here. You've got that hose over the sink. You've got your secondary hose over the sink, and you've got your cord and plugged in. So all we're doing is turning on the tap. Now, that's the tap there. The water's coming out. If I want it to come up through the machine, I just turn it. Locks off at the tap and brings it up through the machine and through the system. When you first set up, you want to run this tap slowly like this to clean out your machine. I'd run it for probably a good 3 to 5 minutes. You can turn it on a little bit more than that, about that flow there. It's just cleaning out. So you're getting the split here. 9.5 here. I don't know if you can see that. And you've got your wastewater here. Let that run. While it's doing that, I'm going to go through the settings for you guys, okay? So here's your 9.5. Alright, if you're water sharing, you would use 9.5. 9, 8.5. All you're doing is pressing. See how the red's illuminated? That changes what one you're using. In your sheets that you get with your machine, it will give you all the different uses of each of the waters, okay? All of these ones will be in one. Then you'll have your 7, which is your normal pH, which is what we use for babies' bottles and any slow release medication. You would use that water to drink and take your medication with. And babies' bottles were made on that water. This is your beauty water. You can see it tells you up there, beauty. Beauty water is at a pH 6. It's beautiful for the skin. Our skin is more acidic. So it's as simple as just pressing the button. Once again, go back to your paperwork and you'll see what the beautiful benefits are of our beauty water. 2.5. This one you need to listen very closely. We're pushing 2.5. Up here it says strong. We have strong Kangen water coming out of here, which is our 11.5. And then we've got down here your 2.5. That's where you collect the 2.5. So when we're doing the strong Kangen water, we've got strong Kangen out of here, 11.5, and pH 2.5, which is your acidic out of here. Strong Kangen water out of here, which is for your veggie wash. Strong acidic down here, which is all your cleaning stuff. So on your system, that's what your 2.5 is. Now I've just changed back to go back to your 9.5, which is your drinking water. And it will just tell me it's going through a cleaning process. So 2.5 is the only time when you're pushing that you're not getting 2.5 out of here. Okay, it's coming out of there, and your strong Kangen's out of here. But it tells you all of that on your form. When you first start drinking, start with 8.5. Drink that for a week, including your family. Then go up to 9. And then up to 9.5. Okay? So gradually do that. In your paperwork, you have all of the information about each of these waters, alright? Now, it's as simple as either turning this back to tap to turn it off, or you can actually just turn the tap off. Yeah, and that'll stop, and the machine will power down. Automatic switch off with the K8. Alright, enjoy.